Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm in front of the Lenox Heights. This is in the Greater Heights in Houston, Texas, and we're about to actually just look in the garage. So, it's important to know where you live and where your car lives. So let's walk into the garage. The bottom line is you're going to have access into this garage. So your car is going to have, it's included, it's free. You're going to be able to go into this garage. There are a couple of spaces in here for guest parking. There's also, by the way, electric vehicle charging. So you've got looks like two spots for that. But then besides that, there's maybe about 6 spots available. But besides that, it's closed just for residents. So this is a pretty secure looking garage. This is iron, very, very secure looking. And you're gonna be able to get in and out basically with a key fob, probably with software on your phone. So you'll have access into that. There are spots in here too. So I'm thinking that you're also gonna be able to do a reserve spot for extra. So you have the access for free, but then if you want a reserve spot where it's always the same, you pay extra per month. That's probably about $50 typically. So anyway, that's what that looks like. I just wanted you to see it. And now we're gonna go see some amenities. Let's go see those right now.